In the following videos, we will learn about bathroom tiling in ARCHLine.XP through a real project. First, open the project. After downloading from our website and installing the workshop project, we can find it in the ARCHLine.XP Draw Workshop Preliminary folder. This project does not have any ties. The fastest and easiest tiling method is tiling in 3D. First, activate the 3D window and right-click on one of the bare walls. From the local menu Tiling on Wall side, select the All Walls option. After that, we have to select the tiles. We can find the desired tiles in the material library amongst the indoor tiles. In the dialog, set the orientation of the tiles to the Rotate Left option. Let's tile the floor as well. Right-click on the bare floor and from the local menu select Tiling and Tiling Full Area option. Select the tiles in the dialog, which can be found in the same folder as the tiles we used for the walls, in the Indoor Tiles folder. Before the program places the tiles, we should set a reference point and with a second point set the angle of rotation. The next step is to add a column with deco tiles to the wall behind the toilet. Using the blue arrows found at the bottom of the interface, I navigated through the already set perspective views until I got a right side to the mentioned wall. Right-click on one of the tiles in the middle and from the tiling menu select the Change Selected Tiles option. Then select the tiles we would like to modify. When we are ready, hit Enter and from the dialog, select the desired tiles from our material library. As we have seen it, with the 3D tiling tool we can tile a bathroom fast and easily. However, there is an opportunity to place more complicated tiles. To do so, we need to create one first. From the interior group of the toolbox, select Properties and Tiling. In the appearing dialog, we can create our new tile from rows, giving its height, the tiles and the color of the tile grout. Knowing the dimensions of the tiles, we can easily calculate the heights of the rows considering the number of the tiles we want to place in a given row. The first row starts from 0 and goes up to 750 mm. Select the tile from the material library and set its orientation. The material of the grout is the same color as the wall painting, white. If we can't find it, use the search field at the top of the dialog. When we are ready with the first row, use the Insert New button to create a copy of a row and set its properties as well. The height of the second row is 250 mm. The third row is 750 mm high again, so select the first row and copy that one so we do not have to set the height again, only the tile. The first row is a thin decor stripe which is 60 mm high. The penultimate row is 500 mm high, but because we will use the same tile as in the third row, I copied that one and only set the height. I deliberately gave the last row a higher height value than the inner height of the bathroom because we will turn off the visibility of the tiles, so the tiling will go up to 2310 mm, which is the height of the top of the door, and above that we will have the painting. If in the preview window we do not see the right representation, click on the redraw button. As a last step, we need to save our new tiling style so we will be able to access it later. Click on the button at the left bottom corner of the dialog, where we always see the name of our actual style. From the appearing library, select the Zelaceramics folder because our new style is built up from Zelaceramics styles. With the new button, create a new style and name it to Albus 1. Now the name of our new style is visible on the button. To place our new tiling style, right-click on one of the walls and delete all tiling. After that, right-click on the bare wall and from the local menu, Tiling, select and place tiling style, select the All Walls option. In the appearing dialog, make sure that the right tiling style is active, then click OK. The program places our new style to all the walls. Let's create a mosaic tiling to the wall behind the shower. I navigate using the blue arrows to a perspective view where I can see the mentioned wall from the front. Click on the wall and select Delete All Tiling option. Right-click on the bare wall and from the local menu Tiling, Tiling on Wall Side, select the On This Wall option. In the appearing dialog, I changed to mosaic tiling. A mosaic can consist of 4 different materials at most. By clicking on materials, we can select the ones we would like to create the mosaic from. With the sliders, we can set their ratio. When we are ready, by clicking on the wall again and again, we can regenerate the mosaic to find the best one. The last step is to adjust the top of our mosaic tiling to the top of the tiles. Right-click on the wall and from the appearing menu, select the Edit Background Area option. Move the cursor to the topmost edge and click once. Select Offset and adjust the edge to the top of the tiles.